month.
Welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by our player of the game, Aris Nation, Coach Chico Victorero of Magnolia. Coach, simula ko sa iyo, you mentioned how kahit galing kayo sa talo, gusto mo makita yung same mentality sa players na nandun yung grit, nandun yung effort. And this time, nanalo kayo. Ano masasabi mo how your players responded to your challenge and even your players who got hurt in the game talagang they were determined to maglaro pa rin?
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to thank Lord Jesus Christ for this W. 2 words lang yung nilagay ko sa board, mind and heart. So because I think we need to be more focused and yung desire namin, which is our heart, our desire to win. Because this is the most important game for us because of it's the game that we need to win in order for us to go to the quarters. So I'm very proud of the guys because they bounced back hard from our sorry loss last time. And I told them na yun lang, gawin lang yung kung anong ginawa namin sa Token Text. The same aggressiveness, the same intensity, the same defensive mindset. I think we have a good chance of winning the game because of it's an all Filipino. No import on other side and then kami din wala. So yun, thankful and very much na-appreciate namin yung effort ng players.
Now, Coach, although winning the game and for majority, comfortable yung inyong kalamangan, but towards the end, nagkaroon ng run, itong Northport, are there any aspects of the game na you'd say you're not very happy about and for sure point of emphasis sa susunod na inside?
I think it's my fault. I decided to rest my starters and my key players, but it's an experience, a charge to experience to me also. Hindi namin pwedeng mag-relax even if it's not over until it's over. So, I think yun, we need to be more aggressive in 48 minutes because we talk about 48 minutes in the dugout, talk about finishing strong. But siguro medyo, yun lang, we feel that the last 2 minutes na panalo na kami, the last 3 minutes na panalo na. So we relax and then yun, nagkaroon sila ng run and then kailangan pa namin magkaroon ulit ng yung mga key players bumalik ulit. But again, it's not only on me but also on our third group. It's need to charge their experience to go hard in every minute na gagamitin sila sa court.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Aris, career high, 30 points. You also set a new franchise record for most 3-point shots made with 9. Kwento mo naman sa amin, how much importance are you putting sa outside shots and gano'n mo talaga na tinatrabaho sa inside?
Everyday naman, umaga ako pumunta and then yun, konting muni-muni lang. Tapos, pagka napipil ko na pwede akong mawak ng bola, yun, stretch na, shooting. Talagang everyday, hindi pwedeng hindi ako mag-shooting and then pagka kaya pa ng katawan ko after practice, shooting pa ako. So, yun, siguro nagbunga lang yung mga extra practice ko, extra shooting, kaya na-achieve ko to.
Aris, ikaw yung dahilan first quarter pala kayo na yung shooting mo. Ikaw yung dahilan paano nag-start yung malaking lead nitong Magnolia. Parang nagkanahawa-hawa lang. If you could also comment on yung conscious effort to have a good start also, not just for the whole team, pero ikaw din.
Ayun, every game naman, mention ni Coach na kailangan namin mag-start strong kasi lahat ng games namin talagang slow start kami kaya nahihirapan kami makarecover sa dulo. And then sometimes nananalo and then yun nga, madalas din natatalo. So yun, yan ko lang sa isip ko na kailangan mag-work ako and then kailangan namin yung panalo para makapasok sa playoffs. And thank you din sa mga teammate ko. Sila yung may dahilan kasi talagang every time na tumadrive sila, ako yung hinahanap and then pumapasok naman.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Atis, congratulations ha. Siguro ikaw makakalam nito eh. Ito ba una mong best player pa din sa career mo sa PBA?
Second time na. Nung una ko, nung bubble pa.
Okay. Pero ito, siguro mas malaking meaning sa ito. Lalo na yung career high ka sa franchise record. Yun lang. Ano lang yung pakiramdam mo doon sa?
Ako hindi ko naman iniisip yung ganung mga achievements, basta ang tinatagal ko lang sa isip ko, kailangan makatulong ako sa team every game, and iniisip ko lang kung ano pa ba yung kulang ko para may tulong ko sa team. And yun, thankful din kila coach, sa lahat ng coaches dahil sa tiwalang binibigay nila sa akin.
Coach, ano naman sabi mo kay Aris na this game tonight, syempre, tagal sa sa'yo.
Yeah, he deserved that because this guy works hard in practice. Sa tulad ng sinabi niya, every day, I mean, maaga yan, he works on his shot, extra practice. And I think, yun nga, we expect Aris to grow this season, and we talk about it before the start of the season. Usap namin siya. We need his offense, and because hindi lang yung offense niya, pati yung versatility niya sa depensa. And yun, deserve naman niya yan. Talagang magkaroon siya ng breakout game, and I think hopefully na sana yun maging consistent, trabawin niya yun.
Coach, wala si Shabazz. Ano bang status niya and anong plano niyo moving forward with Shabazz Muhammad?
Yun, medyo yung namamagayin to ni Shabazz, and don't want to force him also na magkaroon ng mag-major injury niya, lumala, tapos yung career din na talk about it, and let's see, but hopefully kung we will talk about it, siguro ang goal lang namin is matapos yung game na to, at least makita namin, and then tomorrow, let's see kung paano yung mangyayari, because it's near to the playoffs, and hopefully makadecide kami kung ano yung pwede namin gawin, and katulad ni Shabazz, alam naman niya yung sitwasyon.
Sa option din ba na naghahanap na ba kayo?
Yeah, that's an option also, because we don't want also na yun nga, kung hindi naman healthy, we will try to see kung ano pa yung mangyayari in the next few days.
And coach, lastly, Monday you play Converge. Baka doon ma-decide yung number 3 sa grupo
Yes,
nyo.
tama.
Yung thoughts mo lang doon sa game nyo.
Yeah, it's I think they also want to finish strong. We want to finish strong, and it's a good test for us going into the playoffs. The Converge playing great right now. I think they have a 3-game winning streak, and hopefully we can prepare hard and battle for that number 3 position.
Coach, balik ko lang kay Aris. Coach, yun nga, medyo rocky conference pero pasok kayo sa playoffs. How do you think yung role na i-play niya Aris sa playoffs?
Okay. Si Apple lang mamadali. Yes, yung kay Aris kasi talagang malaking factor yan, malaking contribution, tsaka malaking role yung gampanan niya sa akin. Although sometimes nga, because of there's an import, maybe yung minutes ng play niya nababawasan. But yun lang, he is always ready. Gusto ko lang sa bata na to, sobrang talagang very coachable. And oo lang yan, opo lang yan ang opo. Kaya sobrang tumataas yung game niya. And yun lang, I think his contribution on both ends of the floor is a big factor for us going to the playoffs.
That's it for post-game press conference. Congratulations.
Kailangan pa to si Aris.